concept. Listen carefully, sir. Concept. First concept. Initial value, it is 100. There is a 20% increase. It is nothing but plus 20. So this value will become 120. Again, there is a 30% increase. 10% of 120 is 12. 30% is 36. Final value, it is nothing but 156. Final value, it is nothing but 156. Some conclusions based on this example. Some conclusions. So first conclusion, 100 is becoming 156. Overall percentage is 56%, which is nothing but 20 plus 30 plus 20 into 30 divided by 100. Already we discussed in the previous class. So overall percentage is given by A plus B plus AB by 100. A plus B plus AB by 100. Overall percentage change. Overall percentage change is given by A plus B plus AB by 100. Now listen carefully. Second point. Very, very important point which helps us in saving a lot of time. First, there is an percentage increase. Second, there is a percentage increase. Now it is see. This is positive. This is positive. Positive into positive, positive. The value is growing. Let me call it as x. Can I say that x will always be greater than a plus b percentage? Are you all with me? To a plus b, I am adding a positive value. To a plus b, if I am adding a positive value, obviously the value will grow. That means if 20 and 30 it is given, overall I got 56%. 56 is greater than 20 and 30. Keep a note of this. When I am solving problems, I will discuss. Second example. Suppose if it is, let me take an example, write down in the same order, sir. Second concept. Initial value, it is 100. 40% increase. It is 140. 25% decrease. 1 by 4 of 140. It is nothing but 35 minus 35. So final value, it is nothing but 105. 100 and 105. What is the overall increase? It is nothing but 5%. How generally students will solve? 40 minus 25 plus 40 into minus 25 by 100. This is nothing but 15 minus 10, which is 5%. 15 minus 10, 5%. What is the final value that we got? 5. 5 is less than 40. In fact, this value, it is less than this value. That means if there is an A percentage increase and there is a B percentage decrease, X is nothing but less than B percentage. Please make a note. X is less than B percentage. For example, if A percentage is 30%, B percentage is 20%, answer is nothing but 30 minus 20 plus 30 into minus 20 by 100, which is nothing but 10 minus 6, 4%. Now, actually, if the options are like this, 20%, it is not only x less than b, you can further decrease. It is nothing but a minus b plus a into minus b by 100. This is nothing but minus ab. From a minus b I am decreasing. So x is less than a minus b percentage. Not only less than b percentage, x is less than a minus b percentage. If the options are like this, 12%, 4%, 6% and 10%, this concept helps in eliminating the answer option. How it helps in eliminating the answer option? X is less than a minus b percentage. If a is 1 is increase, another is decrease. So 30 minus 20, it is 10. Answer should be less than 10. These three options are eliminated. These extremely important when you are solving a lot of problems in DI also. X is less than A minus B. 30 minus 20, it is less than X less than 10%. These three can be eliminated. Write down each and every key point in whatever way I am discussing, sir. Again, initial value, if it is 100, suppose A percentage decrease, it is 25%. It is nothing but 75. Again 20% decrease. Again 20% decrease. This is nothing but 1 by 5 of 75, which is 15. Final value, it is nothing but 60. Final value, it is nothing but 60. Now listen carefully. Overall percentage increase is actually given by A plus B plus AB by 100. When A and B percentages are growing, but A is decreasing, minus A. B is decreasing, minus B, plus A is decreasing, B is decreasing, divided by 100. Overall, if I take A common, A plus B minus AB by 100%. Are you all with me? That means from A plus B, it is further getting decreased. That means first point is overall decrease in terms of both are given by A plus B minus AB by percentage. When A percentage is decreasing and B percentage is decreasing, to A plus B I am subtracting something. So the X value should be less than A plus B percentage. X value should be less than, X value should be 45. How much we got here? 45 to A plus B. 45 minus 25 into 20 by 100. So which is 40%. Which is 40%. It's very easy to keep an eye on the answer options and you can eliminate it. These three important key points. It's extremely important, sir. How you can do it is, suppose case 1. Very, very important. Magic will happen if you know this concept. A percentage, B percentage. X is greater than A plus B percentage. Both are growing. So the value will be greater than A plus B. Both are decreasing. Both are decreasing. Value it is less than A minus B percentage. Value it is less than A minus B percentage. Case number 3. A percentage increase, B percentage decrease. X is again less than A minus B. Very easy to keep an eye, sir. Suppose if it is less than symbol, the value will decrease. If it is less than symbol, the value will decrease. Whenever there is less than or decrease, whenever there is less than or decrease, the overall percentage, it will be less than their difference. Less than or decrease, it will be less than their difference. I hope this idea it is clear. It is less than their difference. Very important conclusion. If 2 percentage increases are there, overall percentage is greater than the sum of their difference. If both percentage decreases are there, overall percentage is less than their difference. If one is a decrease also, it is less than. Very easy to note. If one decrease is there, so answer is A minus B. Decrease means answer will be less than their difference. Very, very important key point. Very, very important key point. Where it is used, we will take maximum number of problems in every concept. Then we will discuss. Now, next one, concept 2. Now see, suppose initial value, it is given as 100. Final value, it is given as 156. This is given as X percentage. This is given as 20%. Find the value of X. Find the value of X. Most of the students, what they do is, because of their non-understanding of the concept, they will start using A plus B plus AB by 100. So they will use X plus 20 plus X into 20 by 100. It is nothing but totally 56%. This purely x plus x by 5 equivalent to 36 percentage. 4x by 6x by 5 equivalent to 36. X is nothing but 30 percentage. It is purely a knowledge of not knowing how to solve without using formula. This formula based approach, please avoid it unless and until it is required. Unless and until it is required, a plus b plus ab by 100 I am not going to use. Overall increase it is 56 percentage. One value it is 20. Now see this same example. Idea is to tell you don't make use of any formula. Sir, otherwise it will be difficult, right sir? On 100x percentage we don't know. So this value will not be known. Again we have to take 20 percentage. This is the beauty of this concept. Now write down this concept. Suppose if 120 is there, 20 percentage increase. 1 by 5 of 120 which is 24, which is 144. If it is 30 percentage increase, which is 14.4 into 3, 43.2, which is 187.2. I hope it is clear. So these now instead of 20, if I take 30, these is nothing but 12 into 3, 36. These 156. Again it is 20 percentage. 20 percentage is 1 by 5 into 156, which is 31.2. Again it is 187.2. That means when you are doing successive changes, initially I did 20 up, then I did 30 up. If I interchange these values, again it will be 30 up, 20 up. The final value is not changing. That means if there are percentage changes given in the question, you can interchange in any order to get the overall percentage change. Please make a note. You can interchange the percentage changes in any order. You can interchange to get the overall percentage. Please make a note. To get the overall percentage change. Extremely important concept, sir. You can interchange 20 and 30. First you can do 20, then 30. First 30, then 20. Answer will not change. Now, where this concept will be useful? 3 examples, it will be clear to you. You can interchange the percentage change values to get the overall percentage. Let us go back to our question. What is the question? Initial value, it is given as 100. These x percentage increase, I don't know. But these 20 percentage increase, I know. So that the final value is 156. Interchange x and 20. First do 20 percentage increase. These nothing but 120 and it is 156. Absolutely it makes no difference. I hope it is clear. So these nothing but 56. 120 became 156. Extra it is 36 on 120 into 100. Easily you will get the answer. 25s are 100, 26 are 120, 6 are 36. Answer is 30. Without using any formula, just by understanding the concept that if I interchange it, I will get the answer. If I interchange it, I will get the answer. You can interchange as many percentage changes as possible, right? To get the overall percentage change. You can get the overall percentage change. Second example. Take these examples, sir. Second one. Initial value 100. Final value 182. X percentage. Again it is 30 percentage. This is the middle value. Find x. Both are increasing. Now see here. This can be changed to initial value 100. 30 percentage increase 130. This is nothing but 182. How much is the change? 52. 52 out of 130 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 13 fours are. Answer is 40%. So x is nothing but 40. You will be able to solve this question in less than 10 seconds. For more and more values also it will work. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, if you see here, initial value, there is a 20% increase. Then there is an x percentage increase. Then there is a 25% increase. Overall increase is 95%. Overall increase is 95%. Find the value of x. No need of any formula. Once you know the logic, it is easy. You can interchange the values. Because it is 95%. First it is 100. 20% increase. It is nothing but 120. 25% increase. It is nothing but 130. Finally, it is 195. Extra it is 45 out of 150 into 100. 52s are, 53s are, 315s are. Without using formula, you will get the answer as 30%. Don't use a plus b plus ab by 100. Idea clear? Very important learning. If there are percentage changes in between, first take all the values which are known to you. Then take the last value as x. So 25 and x are interchanged. I hope you enjoyed this concept. If you enjoy this concept, please click on the like button to show your love towards mathematics. 20x and 25. 25 and x are changed. Sir, is it only for decrease or it can also be increase? It can also be used for decrease. That also we can see. Now see here. These x percentage, I don't know. These nothing but 25% drop. These nothing but 25% drop. Overall, it is nothing but the 5% increase. This is the initial value. It can be final value. First I am giving a basic fundamentals. Then we will solve the questions in Jiffy. So what we will do is, if initial value, if it is 100, final value it is 105. I can interchange percentage values in whatever way. So 25% decrease. 25% decrease. These are nothing but 75. These x. 75 became 105. Extra increase 30. 30 on 75. 25 fours are. 25 threes are. 3 tens are. Answer is nothing but 40% more. Both the increase we did it. More than 2 values we did it, and another important value. Both are, one is increasing, one is decreasing. Oh, you can do any number of questions of this way, sir. Suppose one more question. X is initial value. Overall there is a 40% dip. These are nothing but x percentage dip. Again there is a 25% dip. So find the x value. Both are decrease. Very, very important for your DI also, sir. These percentages classes, I will take as many classes as possible so that you will not miss out on any concept. Because if you do not know percentages, if you are not good in ratios, if you are not good in calculations, calculation based DI will be extremely tough for you. So I am building the fundamentals for you so that easily you can use it. So initial value, it is 100, 25 drop, it is nothing but 75, 140 drop, it is nothing but 60. There is a 15 drop, 15 on 75, 1 on 5, which is nothing but 20% drop. So not only on increase, not only on decrease, both increase, both decrease, more than 2 values also you can use this concept. I hope the idea it is clear. No need of using. From now onwards, unless and until it is required, don't use a plus b plus ab by 100%. A plus b plus ab by 100%. For example, now I told you one thing, then we will do some example. X percentage increase, b percentage increase. X should be greater than a plus b percentage increase. X should be greater than A plus B percentage. Example, suppose length is increased by 40 percentage, breadth is increased by 30 percentage. Find the overall percentage change in area. Find the overall percentage change in area. Suppose if the options are like this, more than one option, if it is like this, coincidentally if it is like that, it might not be like this, there could be more than one answer option because I am starting from fundamentals, right? I just want to tell how to eliminate answer option. X is greater than A plus B percentage. Area should be, answer overall it should be greater than 70. Not possible, not possible, not possible. Option is C. More than one answer option, if it has got greater than 70, that approach also we will discuss. I told you how to eliminate answer options approach, when to use ratios, when not to use ratios, when to use A plus B plus AB by 100, when not to use A plus B plus AB by 100. Complete 360 degrees clarity you will get once you attend the classes. I hope this idea it is clear. Suppose one more question. Markup is 40 percentage. This is something every student should know because it helps you in eliminating answer option. Markup is 40 percentage. Discount is 15 percentage. Find the profit or loss percentage. Find the profit or loss percentage. 18 percentage, 15 percentage, 15 percentage, 5 percentage and 20 percentage. If the options are like this, just within 2 seconds you can say that discount is dropping. If it is dropping, X is less than A minus B percentage. 40 minus 25, it is 15. Answer should be less than 15. Directly the answer is 5 percentage. Directly the answer is 5 percentage. You don't need to do successive percentage of markup and discount. Definitely I will use ratios. This is an acid test like we do digital sum. First I will do this. If more than one answer option is greater than A plus B or less than A minus B, then only I will go and use ratio method. First I will use this method. First I will see the answer options. If answer options are 4 and if I am able to eliminate 3, then I will not go to ratio method. I hope the idea it is clear. Don't miss any class, sir. Just to tell you, in your previous year exam questions, when I was preparing the structure of the PPT, I realized that there is a lot of pattern recognition that can happen with respect to. Now if you see this question, sir. See this question. Original exam question. In a circle, radius is increased by, area of a circle is pi r square. Pi is constant. R and R. So it is 37.5. And it is original exam question, sir. 37.5. Immediately students will go and use ratio method. What am I telling it? Both are increased. Answer should be greater than 75 percentage. Yes or no? 75 out. 71.25 out. 72.5 out. Answer is nothing but 89.06. It took 5 seconds for you to solve the question. If there is more than one answer option which is greater than 75, then I will come to that question. What is the concept which I am using? X is greater than A plus B. Obviously, X will be greater than A plus B if both are percentages because it is A plus B plus AB by 100. You don't need to use, see, even if you use ratio method, 37.5 it is 3 by 8. Always denominator denotes the initial value. Initially it is 8. Now the radius is 3 increase on 8. Again the radius is 8. 3 increase on 8. 64 became 121. Are you all with me? So it is nothing but 57 divided by 64 into 100 percentage. Why to do this one when all the options are less than 75? I hope the idea it is clear. Each and every class of mine, you are going to learn a lot and you are going to solve aptitude problems through a prism never seen before. I hope the idea it is clear. If it is more than 75, use this approach. Now see here. See this question. See if there are any other questions that are there. Now one by one we will see. One by one. Right? Now see here. If the length is decreased by, length is decreased by 25. Breadth is increased by 50. If it is a decrease, answer should be less than a minus b. A is the increase value. 50 minus 25. Answer should be less than 25. Right? Out. Answer is nothing but 12.5%. Idea clear? Again an original exam question. Stupid answer options are there. It is like a digital sum. Once you know the concept, then you can solve a lot of problems orally. I hope the idea it is clear. Again I will come to it. How come if it is? Now if it is, suppose see here, these also decreased. Now let us see. If the length, area of a rectangle, now this is the concept which we discussed. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Initial value, final value. Initially if the area is 100, area is increased by 80. Method 1 it is, area is increased by 80. Final value it is 180. Length is increased by 40. 40% increase. This is 140. Breadth 140 became 180. It is nothing but 40 increase on 140 into 100%. 0 cancel. 2 2s are 2 7s are. 2 by 7 is nothing but 28.56 approximately. I hope this method is clear. So that is exactly what I said in examples. Area is increased by 80. Area initially it is 100. It is increased by 80. 180. Length increases by 40. 140. Breadth we don't know. 140 is becoming 180. 40 increase on 140. 2 by 7 which is 28.56. Method number 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Now method number 2. Now see here. Go by the answer options. Various ways to solve this question, sir. Method number 2. Method number 2. Area is nothing but 80%. Overall it is 80. Now if you see here, option 1. If length is increased by 40, breadth is also increased by 40. Area should increase by a plus b, 80. But it is 80. This cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. I hope it is clear. Next one. If the length is increased by 40, breadth is increased by 12.5, area will be just greater than 52.5. 52.5, 80. There is a huge difference. This option, it can also be eliminated. I hope it is clear. Now, it is 37.5. This will be 40 plus 37.5 plus, if you see, 40 into 37.5. Just to think logically, sir. 40 plus 37, it is 77. Divided by 100. Think logically, right? Is this value 3? Is this value 3? This is 40%. What is 50% of 37.5? 18. 40% is, right, probably 4 into something. This value, can it give you 3? This has to give you 3, right? This cannot be 3. Are you all with me? This 3 means it is becoming 3 by 100. 40 is much more greater than 3. So obviously this cannot be the answer. You can use, once your fundamentals are extremely clear, you can use answer options. You can use a ratio method. You can use initial value as 100 method. I hope my idea is to give you as many methods as possible. You select any method that you feel comfortable to you. I hope the idea it is clear. Now let us solve.